Shri Sairam. Welcome dear students. Today we will discuss about 6th standard mathematics decimals part 3. We already discussed about part 1 and part 2. Let us begin. What we will learn today? Operations on decimals. Here addition and subtraction. In this last class, highlights from this previous class, what we will study? Comparing decimals, conversion of units, money and length and weight. Okay. In this last class, there are some assignment questions are given. I hope everyone solved. Let us see how it's solved. In first question, which is greater, 1 or 0.99? First, we write 1, 0.99, 1 or 1.00. Okay. In this comparing decimals, first we compare the whole number part. Here, whole number is 1. That is 0, 0 is a fractional part. Here, whole number 0. Then 0.99 is a fractional part. First we compare the whole number part, right? Comparing 1 and 0. Which is greater number? 1 is a greater number. Okay, if 1 is greater than 0, hence 1 is greater than 0.99. Then second question, which one is greater? 1.09. B main. 1.09 and 1.093. Which one is greater? Here, in this comparison, first we compare the whole number part. Here, 1 and 1, both are same. Then comparing what? Then comparing tens place, 0 and 0. Both are the same, 0 and 0, tens place. Then comparing 100 place, 9 and here 9. Both are the comparing same. Then comparing what? Then comparing 1000 place, here 1.09, 1000 place means 0. Here 3. 0 and 3. Which one is greater? Here 3 is greater number, 0 is a lesser number. Okay. Hence 0 is less than 3. Therefore 1.09, this one, 1.09 is less than 1.093. Okay. Then second question, express as rupees using decimal. This question is based on conversion of money. Okay. First, 75 paisa. We convert paise into rupees. We convert paise to rupees. Here 75 paisa. You already know 1 rupees is equal to 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. Okay, 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. But 1 paise is equal to how many rupees? 1 paise is equal to 1 divided by 100 rupees. It is written in decimal notation. 1 by 100 means 0.01 rupees. 0.01 rupees. 0.01. Here 75 paisa. 1 paisa is equal to 0.01 rupees. 75 paisa is equal to 75 divided by 100. 75 divided by 100 rupees. In decimal notation, 0.75 rupees. Okay. Then second question, 50 rupees 75 paisa. You already know 75 paisa. Here both unit are different. One rupees and another one paise. In whole part we written in rupees form. Okay. First we convert the paise into rupees. Here 75 paisa. You already know 75 paisa is equal to 0.75 paisa. Okay. Then 50 rupees. 50 rupees means that is whole number part. Completely whole number part 50 rupees. In 75 paisa 50 rupees plus 75 paisa. We convert paisa into rupees. Here 75 paisa is equal to 0.75 rupees. 0.75 rupees. Both are rupees. 50 rupees and 7.75 rupees. Then we had these two numbers 50 point, the answer we get 50.75 rupees. The answer we get 50.75 rupees. Understood? Then third one, express as centimeter using decimals. This one is conversion of length. Here 5 millimeter, here 60 millimeter. First we convert the millimeter into centimeter. You know 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Here 1 millimeter is equal to 1 divided by total number 10. Here 1 centimeter, 0 to 1 is a 1 unit length, 1 centimeter. Here in between the how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 centimeter or 1 unit length is equal to 1 unit length. 1 centimeter or 1 unit length is divided into 10 equal parts, right? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, 3 millimeter, 4 millimeter, 5 millimeter, 6 millimeter, 7 millimeter, 8 millimeter, 9 millimeter, 10 millimeter. Understood? Here 1 millimeter is equal to 1 millimeter is equal to 1 divided by total number, whole part, that is 10. Here 1 millimeter is equal to 1 divided by 10 centimeter. In the decimal we convert fraction to decimal. 1 by 10 means 0.1 centimeter. Okay. Here 5 millimeter, you know 1 millimeter is equal to 0.1 centimeter. Here 5 millimeter is equal to 5 divided by 10 centimeter. Then in using decimal 0.5 centimeter. Here 60 millimeter, you know 1 millimeter is equal to 1 divided by 10 centimeter, 0.1 centimeter. Here 60 millimeter is equal to 60 divided by 10 centimeter, means 0 cancel, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6.0 centimeter. Understood? Then fourth question, express as kg using decimals. Here 8 gram, 26 kg, 50 gram. This one is based on conversion of weight. We convert gram to kg. You know 1 kg is equal to how many grams? 1000. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Here we convert gram to kg. Here 1 gram is equal to 1 divided by 1000 kg. We write in the decimal form 0.001 kg. Right, here 8 gram. 1 gram is equal to 0.001 kg, but here 8 gram is equal to 8 divided by 1000 kg is equal to 0.008. Here 1 gram is equal to 0.001 kg, but 8 gram is equal to 0.008 kg. Here 50 kg, sorry 26 kg, 50 gram. This one 26 kg, that is a whole number. Okay. Here both units are different. We write whole part in kg. Okay. We convert gram into kg. We already know 50 gram is equal to 50 divided by 1000 kg. 50 gram is equal to 0.050 kg. But 26 kg, 50 gram means 26 plus. We convert gram to kg. Here 50 gram is equal to how many kgs? 0.050 kg. We had these two numbers, 26 plus 0.050, 26.050 kg. Okay. Then we go to addition of decimals. Here, had, I take one example, 131.1 plus 52.14 plus 213.648. We have these three decimal numbers. First we write place value number. Okay, that is a decimal point number, decimal point or decimal point, this one. Here 131.1. What is the place value of 1? That is ones place, tens, 100. After the decimal point, that is 10th place. First we write, first 1 is 100 place and 3 is tens place and 1 is ones place. Then 0.1, point decimal point, 0.1. Okay. Then second one, 52.14, 5 is tens place, tens, and 2 is ones place. Point 1 is tens place and 4 is 100 place. Right. Then 213.648. Here 2 is a 100 place. Here 2 is a 100 place and 1 is a tens place. 3 is a ones place. Point 648. 6 is a tens place and 4 is a 100 place and 8 is a 1000 place. Then we had these three decimal numbers, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 8, 8. Okay. 0 plus 4, 4, 4 plus 4, 8. Here 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 6, 8. Then whole number part we had 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, and tens, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Here 1 plus 2, 3. The answer is 396.888. Understood? Then I take another one example. Samson travelled 5 km 52 meter by a bus and 2 km 265 meter by car, and the rest 1 km 30 meter he walked. How much distance did he travel in all? Here Samson traveled 5 kilometer 52 meter by a bus and 2 kilometer 265 meter by car and 1 kilometer 30 meter he walked. How much distance did he travel in all? Here first we convert here 5 kilometer 52 meter. Both units are different. Okay. First we convert meter to kilometer. Okay. Here 1 kilometer is equal to how much meters? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Here 1 meter is equal to 1 divided by 1000 kilometer. But 52 meter is equal to 52 divided by 1000 kilometer. It is written in decimal form 0.052 okay kilometer. 0.052 kilometer. Same as here 265 kilometer is equal to 265 we convert meter to kilometer. 255 meter is equal to we convert kilometer 0.265 kilometer. This one, this is 52 meter, and then 30 meter we convert this one 30 meter. 30 meter is equal to we convert kilometer 0.030 kilometer. Understood? Here 5 kilometer 52 meter. We had 5 kilometer and 0.052 kilometer, means answer we get 5.052 kilometer. Okay. Then he walked by car 2 kilometer 265 meter. We convert meter to kilometer. Here 2 kilometer 2 plus 0.265 meter we already converted 0.265. Okay. 2 plus 0.265 kilometer is equal to 2.265 kilometer. Okay. Then distance traveled by on a foot 1 kilometer 30 meter. We already convert 30 meter to kilometer. 30 meter is equal to 0.030 kilometer. 1 plus 0.030 kilometer is equal to 1.030 kilometer. Here total distance travel means we had these three decimal numbers 1.030 kilometer plus 2.265 kilometer plus 5.052 kilometer. First we had these three decimal number 0 plus 5, 5 plus 2, 7. Okay. Then 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 4, carry 1. Then 1 plus 2, 3. Then 0.5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. The Samson travelled total distance is 8.347 kilometer. The Samson travelled the total distance is 8.347 kilometer. Okay. Then we go to subtraction of decimals. You already know addition. Now subtraction. Subtract 1.32 from 2.58. We subtract greater number to lesser number, from greater number to lesser number. Okay. First we write place value numbers. Here 1.32 from 2.8, 2.58. Here 2.58 is a greater number, 1.32 is a lesser number. First we write 2.58. 2 is a, what is the place value of 2? Is a ones place. 5 is a 10th place and 8 is a 100th place. Okay. First we write 2 ones place. Here point, that is a decimal point. Decimal point, this one. Point. And 5 is a 10th place, right? 5. And then 8, 100th place. Then 1.32, 1 is a ones place, right? 1. And point, 3 is a 10th place, 3. And 2 is a 100th place. Then we subtracted these two decimal numbers. 8 minus 2, how much? 6. Then 5 minus 3 is 2. Then 2 minus 1, 1. The answer you get 1.26. 1.26. Okay. I take another one example. Rahul had rupees 7.45. He bought topies for rupees 5.30. Find the balance amount left with Rahul. Rahul had 7.45 rupees. He bought topies for 5.30. Therefore, what is the remaining amount? Remaining means, balance means subtraction. Okay. What is the remaining or what is the balance amount? Find the balance amount means subtraction. Total means addition. Here solution, total amount of money. Rahul had already rupees 7.45 rupees. Amount spent on topies is 5.30 rupees. Okay. What is the, find the balance amount or find the remaining amount is rupees 7.45 minus rupees 5.30. We subtract these two numbers. 5 minus 0, 5, 4 minus 3, 1, 7 minus 5, 2. The answer we get rupees. The balance amount of money had Rahul is rupees 2.15 rupees. 2.15. Okay. Then assignment questions are given. Find the sum in each of the following. 15 plus 0.632 plus 13.8. Then B 280.69 plus 25.2 plus 38. Then Kiran purchased 5 kg 400 gram rice, 2 kg 20 gram sugar and 10 kg 850 gram flour. Find the total weight of his purchases. Then third question, subtract A 202.54 meter from 250 meter. Then 0.314 kg from 2.107 kg. Then find the value of the 21.05 minus 15.27. Then Akash brought vegetables weighing 10 kg. Out of this, 3 kg 500 gram is onions, 2 kg 75 gram is tomatoes and the Next is potatoes. What is the weight of the potatoes? This is subtraction problem. Okay. I hope everyone understood. Please practice these assignment questions and write some exercise problems. Thank you. Thank you. Jai Sai Ram.